When it comes to making titles for your videos, there's a lot of creative things that you could do. Like you could put the video inside the title. You could also reveal the title from nowhere. Another thing you could do is track the title to an object on screen. If you want to learn how to do those 3 techniques, let me show you how. To start off with, let's go to the Type tool. Click on your program monitor, type your title. In the Essential Graphics panel, we want to be looking at the Edit tab, and we can align and transform it to the center. Next, I want to create a black background with the rectangle tool. Just zoom out on the program monitor to 10% and create a rectangle that takes up the entire frame. I'll fit that back. Move your title layer above the shape layer, and then underneath Appearance, go to Mask with Text. And you won't see it at first because you need to hit Invert. Now my video is inside the title. And if you wanted the camera to kind of go through the title like I did in the beginning, just go to the Vector Motion and click Toggle Animation for your scale and position. Move the playhead to where you want the title to exit and scale up the title. We get something like this. To make the motion smoother, I'm going to highlight all of the keyframes, and just so you can see what's happening, I'll do these down arrows next to position and scale. Right click, temporal interpolation, ease in, temporal interpolation, ease out. Now you have an easy ease on the movement of the title out of the screen. Now let's do the effect where the title appears from nothing. And I'm gonna go to my effects window and look up an effect called crop. Drag that onto my title, and I'll also want to look up an effect called transform and drag that onto my title layer as well. Go back to your effects controls layer, and one thing to note is that the transform effect needs to go below the crop effect for this to look right. I'm gonna highlight my crop effect in the effects controls window and pull these handles to where I want the title to appear from. Next, we're gonna keyframe the movement. So move your playhead to where you would want the title to stop in place. Go to position, toggle on animation. Then move your playhead to the beginning of the clip and create another keyframe. In the beginning of this video, I had it come from the bottom, so that's what we're gonna do. Next, move the playhead to where you want the title to start to animate out, create a keyframe, move a couple frames forward, and keyframe the title out. And personally, I like to avoid the boring linear movement, so we're going to highlight all of our keyframes and ease in and ease them out like we did before. Except this time, I'm gonna pull these 2 handles to the center, so it starts off slow, gets really fast, and then slows down again. Zoop, and zoom. The whole reason why we are using the transform effect is because of right here, shutter angle. This is going to add motion blur. I want to uncheck use composition shutter angle, and you can go all the way up to 360 to add a whole bunch of motion blur, but I default to something like 180, and the result is this. Now let's track the title to an object, or in this case, my face. In Premiere Pro, I'm gonna create 2 cuts on the clip to isolate the section where I wanna track my face. Hold Option on Mac or Alt on Windows, click and drag this section up to the next track so you can duplicate it. Right click, replace with After Effects Composition. Inside After Effects, we're gonna right click, New, Null Object. Then go up to your Type tool and click on the composition to create your title. Now, just so I can see what I'm doing, I'm just gonna un-eyeball these 2 layers. I'm gonna highlight my clip now and bring up the tracker window and go to Track Motion, and then set the parameters for your tracking point. The bigger you make these boxes, the longer it's gonna take to analyze your footage. So keep that in mind when you set up your tracking point. For this example, I'm gonna put the area of the tracking point around my eye. To start tracking your shot, click the little play button next to Analyze. This will record the positional data of your tracker. Next, we need to paste this tracking information to a null object. So I'm gonna go to Edit Target and make sure that the layer that I'm pasting it to is null number 2, which is the null object we created. Hit OK, hit Apply, hit OK. And if I go to show you the positional data of this null object, you can see that it's been copied over. Now all we gotta do is move the title into place and pick whip or parent the title to the null object. The title's tracking to my face, and there's a couple more things I wanna do. First, I'm gonna turn off my video clip in After Effects. I'll turn on motion blur for the title, cut back over to Premiere Pro, and here is our After Effects project, and this is the video clip. And now we have a title tracked to my face inside Premiere Pro using the tracker tool inside After Effects. If this video was helpful, don't forget to leave that thumbs up. My name's Javier Mercedes, and if you're looking for some more awesome video editing tutorials, there's a bunch here on the Adobe Video and Motion channel. Until next time, see ya.